Fire Nation, Fire Nation.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Most incredible band. Fire Nation. Z-Man. Mike Brilla. Yeah. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. Every time I come around, you wanna switch lanes. Yo, rest in peace to my grandma, Miss Mildred Bland, tatted on my arm, and you know that's not really a religious sin. Lord, I know that she died and she with you now. I hoping that this way I can really make her proud. Understand it took for the top to be the really glory. Yeah, to tell my whole story. Get a chance to understand the me and how I feel in my raps. It's like to speak for me. Yeah, I know from the fact I still got my mom. I hoping that this way, yeah, I'm holding her down real time. I hope to make her proud, and each and every way to tell her be a blessing, to tell the story in every day. It's a heavenly rain. This ain't no heavenly rain. I know how it feels when you go and really switch lanes. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. I know how it feels to go and really switch lanes. Rest in peace to my daughter, Aaliyah, I miss you too. I know the fact that you looking down saying, Daddy, I'm proud of you. I can still hear the thoughts in back of my mind. I never stutter one more time. I hope you really the shine. You know why? Cause I am the best. I hope to be the glory. And everything I ever did in my life, I tell a story. I gave you the pictures and I gave you the pictures and wrote the songs. I hope you know the day long. You know why? Cause I'm trying really hard to be the man that you want me to be. Hoping that this way you're wanting to see, and everything you know it's me. Yeah, but I rest in peace. Hoping that this way you're on the street. Yeah, blessing, really the blessing. I'm hoping that this way I'm not really stretching. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. I know how it feels when you switch lanes. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. I know how it feels when you switch lanes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I know I went through a lot of struggles and man, really in my life. I hoping that the pain is suffering and really a knife. Rest in peace to Jimmy Long, that is my dad too. I hope to see you again, and yeah, I'm proud of you. I can still hear him in the back of my mind saying, I'm really proud of you. Do your thing, I know what you do, and make it true. This ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. Every time I come around, you wanna switch lanes. Hey, oh, yeah. Yeah, this ain't heavenly rain. This ain't heavenly rain. Every time I come and switch lanes. Yeah.